Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of February 1st, 2011. As always, the charts you look at are from the Trade Navigator software by Genesis Financial Technologies. There's really not a whole lot to say about bonds here. This is 8 weeks now of nothing but sideways. You can see this is a very tight little sideways pattern after their big break. And they're bound to rectify this with a fairly substantial move in one direction or another. But until they go above the highs or below these lows, there's just not much of anything that'll allow us to guess which direction it'll be. We're kind of looking at above 122.08 or below 119. I still think there's a chance they could go higher and get into the area of this purple line here in this previous swing low, which is roughly the 124 area. I think they could break out there and then fail and then turn and take out the lows. That would make the most sense to me if I just step back and squint at this chart. That would make a proper looking pattern to me. But I don't know that they'll do that. And if they go up, they could just continue up. They go down, they could just continue down. So it's really as pure a breakout situation as you'll ever see. Once they move, they'll probably move with some authority, but they sure are bound up awfully tight at the moment. Stocks have almost the opposite situation that they do nothing but go up. It doesn't matter what the news is, doesn't matter what happens in Egypt, they just go up. They've already broken through just about all the resistance we could see this week, and that doesn't mean that they'll keep going. They could certainly have a little sell-off at this point, but I think it does bode well for the next couple of weeks. There's nothing to suggest that this entire move that started back at the 1st of September, there's nothing to suggest that it's running out of gas and has to stop immediately here. Again, a little sell-off down into this area next week would make sense, but there's just there's no telling how they'll finish the week. They've got the employment report coming out at the end of the week. Uh, so far, the reaction to just about everything is positive. They had one day down, really, one big down day last Friday, and then boom, right back to the upside again. So there's not much to say and not much to analyze. They're up. It's going to end sometime, but it doesn't look like it's going to end in the next week or so. So that's really all we've got for you. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into this week. Thanks for checking in with us, and hopefully we'll be around to do it again next week.